Hello students. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial today on how to use the citation machine on the Purdue Owl website to create citations for the websites or other sources that you might be using for your work in dual diploma. Let's say, for example, I was searching up information on the Telegraph on a website like history.com. I would simply copy the URL from the browser. Then I need to go to the citation machine on Purdue Owl and paste that website URL into the box here. Then I would click Cite. I scroll down and I can see here the name of the website that I was using. I click Select, scroll down again, and click Final Step. Then I will scroll down again and click Create Citation, and you can see the website information here. Create citation. You will then see your citation will be generated. So all you need to do is click copy and paste it into your document. And that's it.